Guys, we're playing fake tower defense. Toilet tower defense. Let's go, guys. I have so many coins and diamonds. Not a low one. Let's go. We got 2 minutes. We got 2 legendaries. Yes. We got Mewing TV Man. Can I please comment? Can I please? I'm lagging, guys. I'm lagging again. Whoa. A godly! Oh, I got a godly! Whoa! Dito kasama tayo ng Sigma Man. Godly unit. Congrats! Woo! Saan the TV man? Wait, I need my unit. Declined. Sorry. Upgraded Titan speaker, man. It's a godly. No! I have so many. Why is it named Large Cameraman? Large TV Man. So guys, so we got our team, guys. So let's go. Search our map. Let's go. Into the void! Oh, we cannot go to the void. Nice! Someone is trading on me! Go in, cameraman HQ. Whoa! Let's go. Can you please stop following me? Are you kidding me? No, thank you. Can I? Let's go. But we have our Santa TV Man. Why is it like this? Why is it like this? Why is it like this? Okay, wave 1. Where is the... Oh no, there! We have our... there.
Wala pa akong kiss dyan.
Ha?
Wala pa akong kiss dyan. Gusto ko. Kagayan sa'yo para paglaro lang. Ginawa sa'yo. Kagayan ka ng...
We're gonna place our title Santa TV Man. So we need to skip. Then our large speaker man. And go. Now we have summon the Yay! Next, which is up. Ooh, fast toilet. Let's go. Let's go kill that guy. Yes. Whoa! Did I press? Do you have enough money? We need double upgrade him, guys. So this is just a fake toilet tower defense, guys. Large toilet, guys. Oh no. Okay, we got it. Finally. Upgraded him, guys. Now we need to skip wave. We need auto skip. No. No need. No need things. I think we need to upgrade. Yes. His max level 600. Did you lag? Did you lag, buddy? No? Okay. So we will earn money, guys, to go to upgraded. Wait, where's the time? Where's my script? So it's right here. Wow. I don't have any money for that. So we will go to wave 20 to defeat. I don't know. I forgot the name. Sorry. This is my first time playing. Next is wave 19. Some DJ toilet, small toilet is 75 health. Correct. Next it's wave 20. Large glasses toilet, boss toilet. We got a lot of money. Money. Make the fence. Now we will place upgraded Titan TV man. Oh, he's so beautiful. We need this one. Oh no, someone is passing through! Something is passing through! No! Is the speaker man with that? No? I lose. Wait, I'm not losing yet. Can I? No. No, I can't. Also, upgraded Titan Demon. Wave 27. Why this is a lot of health? This is a lot of health to handle. We need upgraded Titan Drillman. Whoa, whoa, Now we got upgraded Titan Drillman. Yes, I won! Woo! Let's go to lobby, guys. Tum tum tarum tum tarum tarum. Next game, guys. Oh, bye, guys.